Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to message unsaved contact in WhatsApp. So if you guys are wondering how to send a message to a specific unsaved contact on your WhatsApp application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to view this and also send a message to them. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and open the chat. So we're over on your WhatsApp location. I want you to go ahead and launch the Chats tab. I want you to tap on the unsaved number and then hit the chat with phone number option. So, as of now, we don't really have any unsaved numbers on here, but if you do have one, launch the chat and you will see this option over there called Chat with Phone Number option. I want you to tap on that, and once the above steps are done, or the steps that is showing currently on your screen, a chat render will appear for the unsaved contacts. Now, you can actually go and now proceed with sending them a message through there, and it's that easy guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.